Hello everyone, a very good afternoon. Ki khobor hokolure? Bohu dinar pisot live ahisu. Okay, so aji topic to anisu interpersonal skills with concept, clarity and accuracy. Interpersonal skills to tomar amar ji kunu high stake competitive examinations or amar janeke APSC prelims or junkhon amar second GS paper tate amar CSAT paper ot amar comprehension or logot interpersonal skills to ase. Yes. And obviously in banking aru amar SSC exams ba jikunu competitive exams or amar ki hoy interpersonal skills is very important. Hekarne aji moi anisu ei topic to let's understand what is interpersonal skills. Okay? Interpersonal skills are the abilities we use to interact effectively with others, whether in personal life, workplace or society. Okay, in simple words, how well you deal with people, your interpersonal skill level. Okay, keneke manuhor logot ami deal koru. Okay, our language, our vocabulary, everything is included in interpersonal skills. Core components of interpersonal skills. Kisuman important amar elements ase interpersonal skills or bhitorot. Hebilak number 1 to ki hoy communication skills. Okay, communication skills amar etia juntu generation hoy very important. Amar communication skills or por ami improve korat. Amar kam korat bahut besi important hoy. Yes, ami clearly express koribo poratu. Amar bahutor students bilakor amar public speaking or problem thake. Yes, manuhor agot ami kotha kobole ami okoman hesitation amar hoy hesitate ami koru, so clear expression whether it's verbal or non-verbal. Yes, and second element is active listening to understand, not to reply. Ketiaba hoday kotha khini reply je diboi lagibo hetu nohoy anjone ki kotha kobo bisari ase he kotha khini ami bhalke hunatu bahut besi important, and ami ki buli ko hetu element of active listening. Okay, empathy mane ki understanding others feelings. Eta ase sympathy je karobar jodi kiba ta beya hoise kiba bipod sapi ahise amar beya lage, kintu empathy mane teor zegat thaki ami bujibo chesta korim teor condition to. Okay, that is what? That is empathy. And emotional intelligence. Yes, emotional intelligence, managing your emotions. Yes, so our emotional intelligence in today's world, it is very important. Yes, we cannot be over emotional, neither ami emotional nohoy buli ami kobo nwaru. So ami nijor emotions kini bhalke manage koribo janibo lagibo. Hoyne? So these are the various importance, the various core components of interpersonal skills. Ei gutei bilak amar interpersonal skills or amar ahi jay. Okay? Now let's move on. Next amar ase aru conflict resolution. Okay? Next element to ki hoy conflict resolution, handling disagreements wisely. Okay, etia amar a topic to cure amar APSC prelims exam amar thake, because those people june amar officers hobo goi ase teonlokor analytical ability, teonlokor critical thinking, teonlokor decision making teonlokor ase ne nai. Okay, jodi kobat sakori kobat posting hoise tate jodi kabar kiba disagreement hoise kiba ta fight hoise, okay, communal riots hoise, he conflict bilak ami keneke resolve korim. So conflict resolution, that is handling disagreements wisely. Teamwork, okay? Teamwork is also very important. Ami jote kam koribo jao amar hoday amar logot ami teamwork bilak effectively amar productive kam bilak hobo karone hoday ami teamwork bhalke ami koribo lagibo, hokolre logot mili solibo lagibo. So teamwork, working effectively with others, and respect and courtesy. Okay, basic human values while interacting. Okay, basic human values in interaction. So ekhini asil amar elements. Yes, now there is one golden rule. Okay, people may forget what you said, but they never forget how you made them feel. Yes, etu eta amar quote eta hoy junto ami essay to use koribo paru, amar ethics to answer to ami use koribo paru. Yes, now there are certain common mistakes. Okay, kisuman common mistakes ami koru jeneke interrupting others. Okay, kunubai jodi kotha koi ase he kotha koar majote jodi ami interrupt kori diu, ami jodi karobar kotha khini khunibo bisora nai, so that is what, that is a very common mistake. So it is a hindrance to your interpersonal skill. Yes, next is ignoring emotions, lack of patience, okay, judging quickly, poor body language. Okay, ami jetia public speaking ami koru, our body language also speaks a lot. Okay, so body language opor ami kam koribo lagibo, judging quickly, karobak hunkale bahut hunkale judge kori diatu. Okay, ignoring emotions, lack of patience, all these are what? These are common mistakes in your interpersonal skills. Okay, so our CSET leveler কিছুমান আমি practice questions মই লৈ আহিছো interpersonal skills বুলি ক'লে actually কি বুজায় মই কৈ দিছো okay interpersonal skills মানে অকল হে prelims examত যে answer বোৰ write কৰিব লাগিব হেতুৱে নহয় গুটেই এজন মানুহৰ ভিতৰত গুটেইখিনি কোৱালিটি আছে না নাই এজন অফিচাৰ হ'ব কাৰণে সেই কাৰণে এই interpersonal skills to আমাৰ exams বিলাকত দিয়া হয় okay so now let's answer this question which of the following best defines interpersonal skill okay which of the following best defines interpersonal skills option number 1 ability to solve mathematical problems ability to interact effectively with others ability to memorize information ability to work independently kuntu hobo answer which is the correct answer please reply ki hobo answer which is the correct answer Rajesh, good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon. Main today kai say hi. Okay. Which is the correct answer? Kuntu hobo. Which of the following best defines interpersonal skills? Definitely option number amar B hobo. Ability to interact effectively with others. Yes, memorize, work independently, mathematical. Egita amar nohoy. Yes, very easy question. Okay, answer is B. Explanation moi didisu. Interpersonal skills focus on interaction and communication with people, not technical or individual abilities. Okay, next question swa. Active listening involves option A, listening and immediately responding, listening without paying attention, listening with full attention and understanding, interrupting for clarification. Interrupting for clarification. Which is the correct option? Active listening. Active listening. Ki hobo answer active listening or? Listening and immediately responding. Jodi kunubai okol reply dibo karne hai. Uttor dibo karne hai jodi kotha khini shune, hetu active listening hobo niki? Now, listening without paying attention, listening with full attention and understanding, interrupting for clarification. Kuntu hobo? Amar option number C hobo. Yes, listening with full attention and understanding, that is known as active listening, which is a very important element for our interpersonal skills. Okay, active listening means fully concentrating, understanding and responding thoughtfully. Okay, responding thoughtfully, not interrupting. Okay, next question swa empathy. Empathy refers to ignoring others' emotions, feeling superior to others, understanding and sharing others' feelings, avoiding emotional situations. Ignoring other emotions, feeling superior to others, understanding and sharing others' feelings, avoiding emotional situations. Empathy mane karubar jegat thaki teor problem to ami buji poa. Okay, buji poa to. Teor jegat thaki teor condition to ami buji poa to. Okay, empathy refers to understanding and sharing others' feelings. Okay, avoiding hobo nware, feeling superior nohoy, ignoring o nohoy. Okay. Yes, empathy is the ability to put yourself in someone else's position emotionally. Okay? Next question. Which of the following is not an interpersonal skill? Okay. Amar hoday prelims exam hok jikono exam or ami dekha pao je ei not boli thakile amar confusion hoy ba ami ki koru overread koru etu na sao and amak ete ki khudise kuntu nohoy khudise. Okay, but ami examot ulta answer to diu. Charul say answer C. Charul, which question you are answering? Charul? Which question you are answering, Charul? Which of the following is not an interpersonal skill? Answer C. Okay. Communication, teamwork, conflict resolution, coding. Kuntu hobo? Definitely coding hobo because amak ki khudise kuntu nohoy. Yes, communication hawk, teamwork hawk, conflict resolution, everything is under the interpersonal skill. Coding is the correct one. Kuntu amak nohoy khudise. Yes, very good, Charul. So coding is a technical skill, not an interpersonal one. Okay. Question number 5. In a conflict situation, the best interpersonal approach is? In a conflict situation, the best interpersonal approach is ignoring the problem, blaming others, open discussion and mutual solution, walking away permanently. Kuntu hobo. As an officer, which decision would you take in the conflict situation to resolve the conflict? To resolve the conflict, which option would you choose? Will you ignore the problem, or will you blame others, or you will open discuss and have a mutual solution, or you will be walking away permanently? Kuntu hobo? Which one? In a conflict situation, the best interpersonal approach will be what? Obviously, open discussion and mutual solution. Yes, Charul has given the answer. Answer C. Parag Kumar Dev Goswami. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, Parag. Good afternoon. Explanation Swa. Effective interpersonal skills focus on collaboration and resolution, not avoidance or blame. Yes? Okay. Next question Swa. Next question Swa. Non-verbal communication includes. Non-verbal communication includes emails, body language and facial expressions, written letters, phone calls. Non-verbal communication includes. Non-verbal communication includes emails, body language and facial expression, written letters, phone calls. Which is the correct answer? Question number 6. Question number 6, which is the correct answer? Non-verbal communication. Non-verbal communication includes Kuntu hobo answer? Emails, body language, facial expressions, written letters, phone calls. Yes, Charul has given the answer as answer number B. Yes, non-verbal. Yes, so ami kothare nohoy, ami nizor body language, nizor personality, okay? Body language hok ba facial expression hok, everything is included in your personality, okay? Keneke kotha kote ki body language use korisa, what is your facial expressions, everything is included, okay? So, non-verbal communication is about gestures, posture, facial expressions, eye contact, everything. Okay? Very good, Charul. Okay. Next question. Emotional intelligence helps in ignoring emotions, controlling and understanding emotions, avoiding communication, dominating others. Emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence, kuntu hobo? Ignoring emotions, controlling and understanding emotions, avoiding communication, dominating others. Which is the correct answer? Kuntu hobo? Kuntu hobo? Very easy. Emotional intelligence mane ki koisilo, managing our emotions. Yes, controlling and understanding emotions. Managing mane jot ami nijor emotions khini dekhabo nalage, tat ami emotions khini ki korim, control korim. Yes, sometimes we need to understand the emotions also. Yes, it involves managing your emotions and understanding others' emotions as well. Okay? Okay. Next question, Swa. Which behavior improves interpersonal relationships? Which behavior improves interpersonal relationships? Option A, interrupting frequently, showing respect and patience, ignoring feedback, being aggressive. Charles has given the answer. Answer B. Okay, Charles, very good. So, ki hobo, showing respect and patience always improves the interpersonal relationships. Yes? Very good. Respect and patience build trust and positive relationships. Yes? Okay. Next question. In teamwork, interpersonal skills helps in teamwork, interpersonal skills helps in creating conflicts, improving coordination, avoiding responsibilities, working alone. So teamwork e amar ki improve kore? Teamwork e amar ki improve kore? Improve coordination. Yes or no? Whenever we work in a team, we must help each other. Yes, coordinate kori pele ami come to productive kori ami kori jam. So teamwork, interpersonal skills helps in improving coordination. Yes? All right. Good interpersonal skills lead to better cooperation and coordination. Yes, Charul, very good. Answer number B. Very good, Charul. Okay, the question is, which of the following is the best example of good interpersonal skill? Best example kuntu hoy? Good interpersonal skiller. Speaking loudly to dominate, listening carefully before responding, ignoring others' opinions, avoiding group discussions. Avoiding group discussions. Kuntu hobo, speaking loudly to dominate, listening carefully before responding, ignoring others' opinions, avoiding group discussions. Kuntu hobo, Charul has given answer number B. Listening carefully before responding. Very good. So, Amar, listening carefully before responding will be the best example of good interpersonal skill. Ketio reply dibo karne horai. Reply to dibo karne ketio answer dibo na lage. Okay? You should understand what the other person is actually trying to convey. Okay? Then you give your answer. Question number 10, option B. Yes, very good. Yes, listening carefully shows respect, understanding, and maturity. Okay? So these were very easy 10 questions that I brought today in this session. Okay? I hope it would help, and definitely amar itu just beginning he hoy interpersonal skills o karne karon ei topic to khoday avoid hoi jay ami khoday passage bila practice kori thaku interpersonal skills to manta no koru, and then going in the exams we can see various questions from this topic which is very important. So moi bhabisu je eitu topic obor ami aru kisuman complex questions kisuman ami anim aji just beginning hoy karne okoman easy questions e anisu. I hope it helps you all. Okay, in the next session we'll be completing this topic with some complex questions. Okay, so let's meet in the next video. Until then, keep studying and keep working hard. Thank you, everyone.